In this presentation, we will review the different textures for food to be eaten by people that may have difficulty swallowing. Changes in swallowing capacity may occur in some people with Parkinson's. This may increase their risk of choking. In order to continue to eat an adequate amount of food to maintain weight and health, modification of the texture of regular foods and drinks may be recommended. It is possible to meet all nutritional requirements and enjoy food even when eating an altered texture diet. If swallowing difficulties are encountered, a speech and language pathologist can do a full swallowing assessment and recommend a diet of appropriate texture. Eating a well-balanced diet with variety from all major food groups can be achieved even when texture of food requires modification. There are different types of textures that may be recommended based on the kind and amount of difficulty swallowing. A soft diet refers to most foods except hard-to-chew foods like raw vegetable, nuts, or the skin of fruit. Mince texture is food that is mashed or chopped. Pureed food refers to baby food consistency like applesauce. Thickened liquids would be recommended if choking is occurring when drinking thin liquids. The thickness of the liquid can range from nectar consistency to a pudding consistency. When the texture of food is altered to make it pureed or minced, or it's soft to begin with, the food tends to stick together throughout the swallowing, and individual pieces are less likely to go to the lungs, resulting in choking or causing aspiration pneumonia. Some examples of soft-textured foods include avocados, sweet potatoes, soft pasta, and mangoes. A mince diet requires minimal or no chewing. The food is soft and easily squashed with a fork. Pieces should be no larger than 0.5 centimeters. Food is minced, mashed, or very finely cut up. Some examples of minced consistency include scrambled eggs, crushed tomato soup, and porridge. Pureed food should be a smooth consistency throughout the entire product. There should be no lumps or chunks, coarse textures, dried fruits, nuts, seeds, and no raw vegetables or fruits. There are two main types of commercial liquid thickeners: starch thickeners and gel-based thickeners. Starch thickeners are powders that are sold in packets or canisters, while gel-based thickeners are a gel-like substance whisked into the liquid. Both can be used with any type of food and will not change the food's flavor. Examples of naturally nectar-thick liquids include peach nectar, mango nectar, and eggnog. The honey-thick diet is a diet that has the consistency of honey. Honey-thick liquids tend to drizzle out of a cup like honey and stick to a spoon. The pudding-thick diet is a diet that has the consistency of pudding. Pudding-thick liquids will hold their shape when placed on a spoon.